going.
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium.
Boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen.
Fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium.
Aluminum, silicone, phosphorus.
Sulfur. This is the periodic table.
Go. Okay, there are 4 popular trends in the periodic table: electronegativity, ionization energy, atomic radius, and metallic character. With electronegativity, from left to right it increases, but from top to bottom it decreases. Ionization energy, from left to right it increases, but from top to bottom it decreases. Atomic radius, from left to right it decreases, but from top to bottom it increases. And metallic character, from left to right it decreases, but from top to bottom it increases.
Groups in the periodic table is called alkaline metals, transition metals, melatoids, halogens, noble gases, and non-metals. In these groups, it talks about the difference and the similarities. In groups, they have the numbers of valence electrons. Alright? You see this right here? This right here? This is the periodic table of elements. Right here? Yeah. So, right here is called groups, going down in the column. So, group 1 are called alkaline metals. Group 2 is called alkaline metals. 3 to 12 is called transition metals. 13 is called melatoids. 17 is called halogens. And 18 is called noble gases. And 14 to 16 are called non-metals. So, in each group, they have the last number are called valence electrons, and a valence electron is talking about how much, if you can add electrons or if you can gain or lose electrons. One fact about groups is on group 18, the noble gases is already have a valence electron with its table. We have periods and groups. In periods is the horizontal going this way, as you can see. They correlate amount of orbitals of the nucleus, which is energy. And the vertical columns is called families. They are similar physical and chemical properties. And in families, we have valence electrons, which is the last number, as you can see here. And in group 1 is called alkaline metals, and they lose 1 electron. And in group 2 is called alkaline earth metals, which they have 2 valence electrons and they form a cation. And in groups 3 to 12, they are called transition metals, and they lose an electron. They have different properties and they're color metals. And in group 17, they are called halogens, which is salt makers. And in group 18, there are noble gases, which they have valence electrons is 8, so they don't need to interact with no other elements in the periodic table.
Each element has neutrons, protons, and electrons. The atomic number is equal to the number of protons and electrons. The atomic mass subtract from the number of protons equals the number of neutrons.
Guys, I got a joke.
What?
And they said that was so damn funny. And Neon said, I slapped my knee on that one. I was like, you supposed to. I had another joke.
What?
What do you get when you mix sulfur, tungsten, and silver?
Water?
Swag.
Oh, you get me tired. You get me tired.
That was
I got another joke.
What?
Do I know jokes about something? Y'all know jokes about something?
good.
It's salty?
Yeah.
Nah. Alright, this is my last joke, guys. Y'all ready for this?
Are you sure?
This is my last one.
This shit better be funny.
You can't be cursing.
We can curse.
Alright.
Oh, Poppy, I'm sorry.
Alright. 2 helium atoms were acting funny.
Okay, what about them?
Yeah.
Alright, they have groups in the periodic table. Alright.
Go. There are 4 popular trends in the
Tables, they have groups. Oh my god, yo!